So just found out this thing exists today. I'm not much of a gamer, but this looked interesting enough, and we used to have these black and white little, like the wolf and rabbit or whatever games that looked like this back in the old days. So I picked one up, and here's a quick unboxing, and I'm going to turn it on and see what it does. Here's a little USB cable, USB-C. User manual. I think that is meant to come out this way based on how this thing has been. And here's a little game. Power button on here. Speaker, USB cord. Well, let's try turning it on. Oh, the screen's pretty nice. Press time button. Okay. There you go. That's it.